Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Jira to Google Sheets to create reports with live data. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Google Sheets. You can either start a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you'd like your Jira data to appear. Once you're inside, look at the menu bar at the top and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can find various plugins that extend the capabilities of your Google apps. Next, in the Marketplace's search bar, type Jira Cloud for Sheets and press Enter. You'll see it appear in the results. Click on it and follow the installation prompts. During installation, make sure to grant all necessary permissions, as the add-on needs access to link your Jira account properly. Once installed, go back to your Google Sheet, click Extensions again, and you'll now see Jira Cloud for Sheets listed there. Select it and then click on Open. A sidebar menu will appear. From the sidebar that appears, click the Connect button. Once connected successfully, you'll notice a sidebar called Jira Cloud for Sheets appear on the right-hand side. Now you can start customizing what data you want to pull in from Jira. You can either use saved filters or create a JQL statement. Once your query or filter is set, simply click Get Issues Now. Within seconds, your Google Sheet will populate with live data from Jira, showing all the issues that match your filter. And that's it. So that is how you can connect Jira to Google Sheets to create reports with live data. So that's all for this video. Thanks.